potent winter storm is really just getting started. Heavy rain is falling across the region right now. Meteorologist Tammie Souza is back with the next weather alert, and wow, we've got a ways to go here, Tammie.
Yeah, wow, that's one way to put it. I have to love the fact that that one man was saying, oh, it's so cold, I don't want to have to fly up there. You know what, in Florida right now, they are opening the shelters because it's going to be in the 40s during the day and the 30s at night, which sounds wonderful to us, but to them, that's cold. So everybody is dealing with the cold and this system. We have a number of things we're going to be talking about right now, so let's get to it. Outside right now, the rain is still falling, but we are going to kind of push past that. We'll get back to the storm scan in just a moment, but I want you to know the impacts you're going to be dealing with tomorrow. We will have a wind advisory with up to 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. What does that do? It brings down tree branches, maybe some trees, and power lines. So power outages are going to be possible during a very cold afternoon and night and a cold weekend. Be aware of that. Wind chill advisory, dangerous cold. It is going to feel like 10 below to 25 below. That's what it feels like on bare skin. You could get frostbite in as little as 20 to 30 minutes. So you really have to be aware of that and bundle up. When you go to work, you'll be wearing a lightweight jacket. It's going to be balmy. We're likely going to be near 50 degrees. When you come home, you will be lucky to be in the low 20s. We have a coastal flood warning that goes into effect tomorrow, and this is because we will see a moderate flooding for all the coastal areas, those back bays along the Delaware River, water that could be 1 to 2 feet above ground level. And finally, those temperatures are going to fall so quickly tomorrow that any standing water is going to flash freeze. Now, we will have some winds out there, and that'll help to dry it up, but I think there's going to be an awful lot of black ice out there, and that's going to last through the weekend because we are not going above freezing anytime soon. So here's what we're dealing with right now. 36 at Mount Pocono. Little fog has formed. That is rain falling. They did get several inches of snow earlier today. It's 51 in Philadelphia. That's as warm as we've been all day, and 55 degrees in Wildwood. How much warmer is it right now than the same time yesterday? Well, it's 19 degrees warmer in Philadelphia, 20 in Reading, and 29 degrees warmer this hour today than the same hour yesterday for all of you in Atlantic City. I tell you this because I want to show you the national map. I want you to see what's coming. You see this big blue area? This is real-time information. The temperature right now is 10 below in Minneapolis, 15 below in Billings. It's fallen to 2 below in Chicago. That cold Arctic air is curling around. It's going to wind up right on top of us. It stretches all the way to the Gulf Coast. Look at Dallas at 12 degrees. So this is going to affect most of the country. Now, our storm scan, you can see we have some rain that is falling. We have that heavier rain. That's the shades of yellow that you see here. All of that is going to be lifting northward. This is the coastal low. It will move out of here and we'll get a little bit of a lull before that cold front comes in, bringing us some brief rain and then a shot, just a burst of snow. Some accumulation is possible. I don't think a lot of it will stick around. It really is going to be dependent on how fast that cold air comes in, but it'll grab any moisture that's left and turn it to light snow, even here in Philadelphia. So here we go. Look at the temperature profile. 3 o'clock in the morning, we're into the mid and upper 50s. So, there are areas that could push 60 degrees tonight. Spotty showers out there, no snow anywhere, winds out of the south. 5:30 in the morning, we're at 49 degrees. Then we fall to 46 by 9. Here comes that front. Look at Reading, already at 41, Lancaster at 32. We push ahead. 10:30, we're at 30 degrees now in Philadelphia. That burst of snow has come through. We get into the afternoon. We've fallen into the 20s. We will be about 25 degrees at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, falling all the way to about 15 degrees as we head through the evening hours. How much snow? Again, just a dusting, maybe an inch in some places, not a real big deal. So the ice and freeze threat, temperatures rapidly fall. The wind will dry up some of what is left of the standing water, but not all of it. A flash freeze will take place late in the day and tomorrow night, and we will have widespread black ice for you to be driving on. This is the future feels like. Look at this. It's going to be feeling like tomorrow night, 11:30 at night, 11 below in Philadelphia, 27 below in Mount Pocono. On Saturday, only zero at noon. So tomorrow, we'll be right around 53 in the morning. We'll fall to 20 by 5 in the afternoon. And down the shore, 57 falling to 26 by 5 in the afternoon, and 50 in the Lehigh Valley falling to 14 by the afternoon. Saturday, Christmas Eve, 21 degrees, dangerous wind chills. On Christmas Day, 27. A little bit warmer, but still bitterly cold. And we stay cold, only in the 30s until we get to Thursday, when that 44 pops up, and it feels like the tropics around here. Jessica?
Yes, looking forward to that. Tammie, thank you.